Hey guys, Scott here in the Eastwood garage, where today we're talking about the Rockwood 10-piece paint gun set. Now if you're just getting into painting and you're not quite sure what you need, look no further than this kit. Now before we get too far into it, if you'd like more information or you'd like to be able to purchase it, you can click or tap the button in the corner anytime. Now let's go ahead and dive into this kit. Now this kit's going to come with 3 different paint guns with 3 different nozzle sizes, so you can spray pretty much anything you can imagine. So the 1.4 tip is perfect for your paints and your clears. The 1.7 tip is perfect for epoxy primer and urethane primer, while the 0.8 tip of the detail gun is perfect for if you're doing jams on your car or you're painting an engine or something where you want a little bit less paint. Now this kit's also going to come with a regulator, so you can dial in the perfect air pressure for the exact atomization you want. It's also going to come with a cleaning brush, and it's going to come with a wrench, so when you're all said and done with your paint job, you can break it down, clean these guns, and that way you're ready for your next awesome paint job. Now for more information for this product or to be able to purchase it, you can click or tap the button in the corner, or you can also follow the link to eastwood.com.